the real teaching of the Buddha is that he is not talking about a truth. There is no truth in the world. There are only views in the world. Now there is another sutra which is similar to this Kalama Sutra. This is, in this sutra, again another group of people ask the same question from the Buddha. But there the Buddha answers in a different way. He says, Ekang hi satchang na dutiya matti yasming phajano vivade phajanam. Now, here what the Buddha is trying to say is, if there is only one truth in the world, and there is no second truth, there will be no conflict between people if there is only one truth. But different people think in different ways and they bring out different ideas as truth. This is why there is so much conflict in the world. Then he says, Naheva satchani bahuni nana anyatra sanyani nichani loke takkancha ditti supakappetva satchang musati dvaya dhamma mahu. What this means is, there are no many truths in the world. There is only what is called sanya. Sanya means what you perceive through the senses. That is all that you have. But people begin to use these perceptions and build views using logic. And by doing so, they talk about two things called truth and falsehood. And there is no such thing as a truth and falsehood. We can only talk about what we perceive through the senses. That's what he's saying. So the only thing is, instead of talking about truth and falsehood, we can only talk about problems and solutions. That is what, and that problem is what the Buddha called dukkha. And the solution to this problem is what he called, what is today called the Noble Eightfold Path. So he gives a solution to the problem.